Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is July the 27th, 2018, and I wanted to give you an update on my pepper plants that are growing in the swimming pool here. And I have some herbs and some eggplants growing in with them. So you can see them here. This plant here actually fell over. I did take a big one off of one of these plants here today. So these don't look too big because the big ones are already pretty much taken off. And again, I'm doing the same thing. Any pepper that's going to be close or it's going to be touching the soil, I'm going to be taking it off so that the pepper doesn't rot on me. Now, these are being fed with the Epsima tomato tone. That gets fed twice a month with that, and it also gets fed with Epsom salt and Sea Magic. I'll have links below for that. It looks like we've had something munching the plants off. I had one of my eggplants that happened to, so I don't know if we have a deer up here that's eating the eggplant or eating the peppers and eggplants or not. Have to keep an eye on that because they will destroy your plants. We've tried various sprays and different things, and the only thing that kept them away was to fence the plants. So I'm going to give you a quick update on these here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.